Hey, just getting ready to lay down these bath rugs that I have here. Now the brand did send these to me. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about them, but you're getting these in a 2-pack. You got this bigger one here. Looks like it's about 1.5 feet by about 2.5 feet roughly. So you're getting that big one, and then you're getting one of these smaller little mats right here. So this one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put right here like that. And then this one, we're gonna kind of lay right here. I'll give you an up close look. Look at how soft these are. They really are. They're like a plush feel. On the bottom of these, as you would expect, there is a rubber. Now this rubber actually is tacky. Sometimes you get these bath rugs and this rubber is like rubber, but it's not, and it just kind of slides, right? It just kind of glides across the surface and it doesn't really have any tack to it. This actually has a rubber tack to it. So I like that. So when you step on these, watch, they're not going to go ahead and slide all over the bathroom floor. So this is a great little 2-pack, pretty good quality. I mean, I don't see anything that I don't like about these. I mean, I'm not going to overhype these for you because after all, they are bathroom rugs. But for bathroom rugs, they do have the things that I would be looking for. The rubber tacky back so they don't slide. The nice soft plush, which is going to be great for when you're getting out of the shower. It's going to absorb that water nicely and it's going to feel good on your feet. Get these in some different colors, but they did a good job with these. I think they're pretty good quality, so definitely check them out. And yeah, that's my quick review. Thanks for watching.